Hello students and welcome to our channel. So today we are going to start with real numbers part 2. In part 1 we have already discussed Euclid's division lemma and the questions related to that concept. Now in this video we are going to discuss about fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Now see, what is fundamental theorem of arithmetic? It says every composite number can be expressed as the product of primes, and this factorization is unique apart from order in which prime factor occurs. Like let's suppose I am provided with 24. So 24, this is a composite number and this can be expressed in the form of as the product of primes. कैसे? See, 24 को I can write 4 into 6, 4 को I can write 2 into 2, and 6 I can write 2 into 3. Thus, what are the factors of 24? That is 2 into 2 into 2. 2 is coming to be 3 times and 3. So, this 2 ka cube into 3. So, this 2 and 3 is a prime number. So, every composite number, they can be expressed in the form of as the product of primes. So now we'll see the question related to this concept. So the question is, find HCF and LCM of 6, 72 and 120 using prime factorization method. What we have to use? We have to use prime factorization method. So first of all we'll take out the factors of 6. तो 6 के factors आएंगे 2 into 3. If we'll take out the factors of 72, तो 72 के अगर हम prime factors करें, like we know 8 into 9 is 72. So here I'll get 2 into 4. This will be 2 into 2. Similarly 9 का क्या हो जाएगा? 3 into 3. तो इसके factors क्या आ गए हमारे पास? 2, 2, 2, 3 times. That means 2 का क्यूब into 3 square. Similarly 120 के अगर हम factors निकालेंगे तो I'll get 2 का क्यूब into 3 into 5. Now when they are saying to find HCF, HCF का मतलब होता है क्या? Highest common factor, जो सबके पास है. So 2 सबके पास है and 3 highest common factor. तो 2 into 3 HCF will be what? 6. LCM will be what? Lowest common factor. So we'll consider 2 cube into 3 square into 5. So this will be what? LCM. The 2 ka cube is 8, 3 ka square is 9 and into 5. 8 into 9, 72. 72 into 5 will get what? 360. So this is how we can find HCF and LCM of the two numbers. See, now the question is, we have to find HCF and LCM of 26 and 91. So 26 के prime factors will find out. So we know 2 into 13 and these are only prime numbers. So 2 into 13. 91, अगर हम 91 के factors if I find, तो 91 comes in. 91 को I can write what? 13 into 7, and these are both what? Prime numbers. 13 into 7. So HCF will be 13 because 13 दोनों में common है. Highest common factor. LCM 13 आएगा into 2 into 7. तो 13 2s are 26. 26 into 7 is what? 182. Now what we have to verify? We have to verify, this is a very important formula, HCF into LCM is equals to what? Product of two numbers. We have to verify it. So what is HCF over here? HCF is 13 into 182 equals product of two numbers, that is 26 into 91. So now when we multiply 13 into 182, we'll get what? 2366, and when we'll multiply 26 into 91, we'll get 2366. So this is how we have verified. See, now the question is, we are provided with HCF of 306 and 657 is what? 9. HCF is 9 and we have to find out LCM. So we can use formula over here, that is HCF into LCM equals product of two numbers. Now what is HCF over here? That is 9 and LCM we don't know. Product of two numbers are 306 into 657. So LCM is equals to 306 into 657 divided by 9. 9 को अगर मैं 306 से कैंसिल करूँ तो it will be cancelled out. 9 ones are 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36. Now we'll multiply 34 into 657. So answer will be 22338. So this is what LCM of the two numbers. So this is how we have completed with the second concept, that is fundamental theorem of arithmetic, in which we have seen that the number, every composite number can be expressed as a product of prime. Hope you guys are finding videos helpful. So please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.